7 Days Cabbage Soup Diet Plan. The cabbage soup diet is the best option for quick weight loss. Many people report losing up to 10 pounds within a week after following this diet. It may seem so boring to live on cabbage soup for a week. But rest assured that cabbage soup is not your only option. There are many healthy foods to choose from. You can consume fruits, veggies, and proteins to boost your metabolism and satisfy your taste buds. The cabbage soup diet focuses on soup detoxification that can make you feel more energetic and active. It is also a great choice for vegans who wish to incorporate a plant-based diet in their routine. However, you should also keep in mind that this diet plan is not suitable for long-term weight loss. Your immune system will weaken if you stick to this diet for a long time. 7-Day Cabbage Soup Diet Plan is one that offers safer and quicker weight loss. It is rather easy to follow as well. You need to take this diet for 1 week at a time. If you are a beginner, then this is the best diet for you. The dieters favor it because it can be taken at any time, whether it is morning or in evening. Here are some benefits of the 7-Day Cabbage Soup Diet Plan. It does not offer larger number of calories. You do not tend to overeat, so you lose weight. It acts as good filler, so you do not feel hungry or starved. The side effects experienced are very rare as you are taking up fewer calories. The weight loss is very fast. Recipe for cabbage soup diet: 6 large green onions, 2 green peppers, 1 to 2 cans of diced tomatoes, 1 bunch of celery, 1 to 2 cubes of bouillon, 1 package of Lipton onion soup mix, 1 cabbage head. Method: now, first of all, you need to cut all the vegetables into smaller pieces and cover them with water. You may use a V8 juice if you want. After this, boil the ingredients for 10 minutes. Decrease the simmer and continue cooking till the time all the vegetables get tender. Season the soup with salt, garlic powder, parsley, pepper, etc. 7-Day Cabbage Soup Diet Plan. Day 1. You may eat all the fruits that you wish except bananas. You may also take the unsweetened tea, cranberry juice, and water. Day 2. You may take all the fresh, cooked, or raw vegetables. Go for green leafy vegetables and try to avoid dry beans, corn, and peas. Fruits must not to be taken. Day 3. You may take all the soup if you want. You may also take fruits and vegetables. Day 4. You must eat 8 bananas and drink many glasses of the skimmed milk. Day 5. Have 10 to 20 ounces of beef. If you dislike beef, you may take skinless, baked chicken. You need to take up to 6 fresh tomatoes. You should also take 6 to 8 glasses of water. It will help in washing out the uric acid from your body. Day 6. It includes vegetables and beef. You may have as much beef and vegetables as you can. With this, you must take at least 1 bowl of this soup. Day 7. You need to have as much vegetables, brown rice, and fruit juices without sugar as you can with 1 bowl of soup at least. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more weight loss related videos.